AMC had over 8.8 million moviegoers worldwide Wednesday through Sunday, breaking the previous record for the Thanksgiving holiday attendance, admission revenue, food and beverage revenue, and total revenue. I wanted to start the video off with something positive about the fundamentals of AMC, but moving on, Jim Cramer is basically telling us if AMC gets to 6, I want you to sell it. Period. End of story. That's what he's saying. We know, obviously, do the opposite of this guy, and he knows that everyone knows that. So is he hinting at AMC flying past $6? We're going to get into the charts. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment Ken Griffin lied under oath down in the comments. Finally, Gary Gensler's getting kicked out of office, not doing anything to investigate Ken Griffin. And finally, Ken Griffin's being investigated. The new FBI director nominee, Kash Patel, is on Trump Media and Technology Board of Directors and says that Citadel is potentially participating in market manipulation by naked shorting DJT stock. Now, obviously, XRP's been ripping heads off, and Ethereum Classic, XRP have very close correlation to AMC, but we're going to take the more conservative route and bring up Ethereum Classic right now. I want to show you something. Back March 25th, 2021, you can see right here, XRP hit this low after the first run-up and then ended up rallying even higher. Correlated with AMC after the January run-up, hitting this low right before the June run-up, May 21st, okay? So March and then May. AMC lagged about 2 months behind Ethereum Classic. In this scenario, Ethereum Classic right now, August 5th, 2024, hit this low. There is a wick down here that Ethereum Classic came and wicked down to about $15.54. Again, that is August 5th. AMC hit this low October 10th. Again, 2 months lagging behind Ethereum Classic. Okay, since then, Ethereum Classic has rallied to a top of about 113% or so. If you're not counting the wick down, still has rallied about 97%. AMC since this time period is up only 29%, lagging 2 months behind when Ethereum Classic hit this high on November 27th, means that AMC could take all the way till February, mid to late February, to hit a first price target between $8 and $9.30. Now, what's great about this is that you have time. What's bad about it is you may have to wait. What's great about this is that it can be accelerated based on what the market is doing, and also Ethereum Classic can have room to run higher while the crypto cycle is still popping off. Gamestop is trading at $27.39, down 5.71% on the day, absolutely getting smacked. You can see we came down below this support level, fought it as resistance, came down to this trend line, fought it, and we failed here. We also failed here. I said before, ugly case scenario is GameStop breaks below this trend line. If you see a close below this trend line under 27.25, worst case scenario, GameStop's not looking good, right? That's going to tell me that we have more room to fall down to $25, $25.30, maybe even lower. Okay, I have said this before, it's not new news, so don't come here thinking that it's new news. I'm just as annoyed as you guys when I see this price action. Keep in mind, we could just see a wick down today and the full body candle close right back above this trend line, in which case that would be bullish. Now, the next catalyst that is kind of a catalyst and it's close around the corner is Chewy earnings, which is December 4th. Is this going to be a catalyst for something? Maybe, maybe not. The most recent tweets had to do with the dog. Did they correlate with Chewy? Did we understand correctly? We're going to find out if this has anything to do with GameStop and if we will see a move on Chewy, GameStop, AMC, so on and so forth. The market is melting up, coming very close to one of my price targets at 604. It is currently trading at 603.50. The SPY is trading above the top of this ascending resistance level, which we only have done one time when we hit 600. So we are showing severe strength up here in the S&P 500. And if we continue to trade out of this, expect a market melt up even higher to 623.35, which is my ultimate top on the SPY, which I expect, if we continue this momentum, to hit before December 12th to 13th. Okay, that is when you see that collapse, or you see a fail, you see a chop trade until then, and then you see another melt up coming into January, then you crash. I'm almost at a loss for words for XRP, trading at $2.76. If you're not in this, you must feel like puking. I posted a video, XRP will change lives, about 2 nights ago. And since that video, XRP is up over 40%. I mean, you can't make this up. If you don't understand XRP, go watch that video because I explained why XRP is so significant right now. And it may just be worth picking up shares at this high. Nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Now, this was a perfect call out once again. I'm not saying it to brag at all. I'm just saying if you follow the channel and you're part of the family here on the journey of financial freedom, congratulations. I posted a video last night. AMC GameStop stock wave 2 begins. After this XRP wave, where do you park your money? Chainlink was down here last night at about $18.60. And I said Chainlink is going to hit my price target over the next 24 to 48 hours of about $21. We came all the way up to $21.38, and Chainlink is up massively on the day after getting this beautiful candle flying past 1950. I also said in wave 2, you will see other plays like Uniswap. Uniswap coming up to my price target at $14.40. We came exactly to my price target at $14.40 with this beautiful, beautiful candle on Uniswap. Now, I did explain what happens in wave 3, so if you want to go watch that video, make sure to go watch it because a lot of you guys decided to neglect an important video. Now, the US government just moved $1.2 billion worth of Bitcoin to a new address. What is the point of them doing this? Are they getting ready to dump it? They actually moved it to Coinbase. Is the government about to dump Bitcoin? Or what is going to happen here? Is this the beginning of the reserve? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Bitcoin has been trying to break out of a crucial level back above 97,600. If we break above that, expect that push to 103.5. I have been watching that level like a hawk, and I'm just waiting for Bitcoin to break out. But again, if we get rejection here, the market decides to reject, everything's going to crash at once. Just be prepared for that. Ethereum is trying to break out as hard as possible as well out of this level. Again, I have a price target of 3,960. First price target once you break out of this level. So if Ethereum at all comes past the all-time high at about 3,770, just expect a move right to that level. Part of wave 3 is going to include some meme coins like Bonk, which is down 9%. And I see Bonk at or getting close, very close to a major buying opportunity. Okay, anywhere at this level, in my opinion, is a major buying opportunity because I see Bonk still coming up to my price target along with Pepe, which is a 77% gain. In fact, if you bought in where it's trading at right now, that gain would be substantially higher at about a 96% gain. That is what I think is left at least in the tank for these meme plays. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go subscribe to the channel. If you're not in the Discord, go get in the Discord. People are loving it in there. The new people joining the community are insanely happy with joining the community. Come talk one-on-ones with me and the most amazing people, stocks, and crypto all day long. Come learn. Come get the best plays. We have option sweep alerts, dark pool trade alerts, insider trade alerts, market news alerts, additional channels, and you can see my trades as soon as I enter them. So do not sleep on it. If you want up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 per stock, and earn 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash whenever you're not trading, use my Moomoo link, open an account through them, and make a deposit into your account for the month of December. Again, you need as much additional cash as you can get to either put in a trading account or buy some Christmas gifts with. So use the link. It's a free broker. Once they approve you, it'll take probably a minute or two. Make a deposit into your account and start trading with them. Both of those links are in the description. And there are some other links in the description that you can utilize to get free money for yourself as well, guys. Overall, that is what I got for you for today's video. Let's make some money this week. The market is open. The market is live. Nvidia is looking pretty decent, fighting resistance in a parallel channel. We are watching like a hawk, and we will be talking in Discord. That is what I got for you guys for today's video. I love you all. God bless you. God bless your whole family. Lottery Stocks out.